Okay guys, welcome back to Jack of all trades. Today we're going to show you how to clean out your temp files automatically, and we're going to show you a little example here on the right side of the screen. We have our Windows, our hard drive, and our temp file. And what this is going to show you is, as you're using your Windows operating system, it's going to send files to your hard drive. Now, not all files are temp files. Some files are regular files and other files are stored in the temp directory. So say for example you're using Internet Explorer as a browser, it's going to store those files as temp files. If you watch a YouTube video, it stores it as a temp file. Or if you do some audio editing, and as you see, the temp files start to add up on your hard drive, and they start to chew up valuable hard drive space on your system drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a little trick, a little bit of DOS code, so that when you start your computer, it's going to automatically empty your temp directory. Now, each user is given a specific temp file based upon their username. So if you've got 3 users, you're going to have 3 different temp files, one for each user. So let's now get out of there and let's show you how to do this automatically. Now we're going to explain each part of the code. You're going to need a notepad, and that is going to be we're going to be putting commands of DOS into a notepad. And we're going to show you the commands that we're going to be entering into the notepad and explain them step by step. So what you're going to see here is you're going to see rd%temp/s/q md%temp%. Now what this is DOS code, and we're going to explain each line of what it does to the temp directory at startup. So as you see here, the highlighted part rd temp% means to remove the directory of the temp directory under the username. The /s is a system user file, and the /q means to quiet mode, which means it won't ask you for a prompt when doing this. The md%temp is a DOS command that tells you to make the directory and call it temp. So we're going to remove the directory and then we're going to make it. So this is an actual video I showed you in real time of how to do it. We're going to create a text document like so. And you can name it whatever you want, but the most important thing is it has to be .bat as the extension. So you're going to remove the text as shown and change it to .bat, and then press yes. And then we're going to want to open it up and edit it. And then we're going to punch in our lines rd%temp, and then that's going to remove the temp directory, and then we're going to want to make it a system file and in quiet mode. And then we're going to press return and type in make directory md and create the temp folder back, but it's going to be empty once it does this. We're going to save this as so, shut down the text file, and we're going to copy it. And now what we need to do is, once we've done copying it, we're going to need to go to our start all programs and startup. And in the startup, these files automatically start up every time you reboot Windows, and we need to put that file in there. So we need to open the folder, the startup folder, and we need to move that file into the startup folder, and that'll force that .bat file to start up every time you reboot Windows. And we're just going to double check to make sure it's in there, and there it is right there. So that's how you create. And what we're going to do is, now if you restart the system, it's going to empty the temp directory. So now you no longer have to do this manually, it's all done automatic. So if you guys like the video, thumbs it up, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support.